how to send snap without media upload. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to your Snapchat. You may notice that you cannot send a snap directly from your gallery because you cannot upload a picture and send it as a snap this way. To fix that, go to your gallery and simply copy the picture you want to send. You will see the copy photo option, tap on it. Now go back to your Snapchat and simply take a snap as usual. While on the snap screen, long press anywhere on the screen and you will see a paste option appear. Tap on paste and your copied photo will appear on the snap. You can adjust it by zooming in, zooming out, or positioning it however you like. Then simply tap on send to and send it to your friends. Once you do that, you'll notice that it gets delivered as a snap, not just a regular photo as shown right here. And that's it. So that's basically how you can send snap without media upload. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.